Watch as I make this delicious, yummy goat meat pepper soup. Yummy! Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Today is another video, another cook with me video. Today I'm going to be cooking goat meat pepper soup. Okay, the weather is so cold over here and it's raining so bad. Then I decided to cook goat meat pepper soup. Okay, this is my goat meat. I've already put my goat meat on the stove. Okay, as you can see, the goat meat is already here. What I'm gonna do here right now, I have my blended pepper, one habanero pepper, onions and ginger. I'm just gonna pour this into the pepper soup, the goat meat. Okay, then I'll add I'm gonna add my Maggi. I'm gonna add, let's say, 2 teaspoons of Maggi seasoning. Then I will add all-purpose, just sprinkle a little bit of it to it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this and I'll allow it to simmer. Okay, before I add the rest ingredient. Okay, I'm going to allow this one to simmer for a little, let's say 5 minutes, before I add the rest of ingredient, the pepper soup, spice, and the Maggi and the rest. Okay, while the goat meat is simmering, I'll go ahead and blend my crayfish. Okay, I'll blend this off camera. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes that the goat meat have been simmering, and I didn't even put water. You see that? I haven't even put water yet, but it's just the water from the blended pepper and from the steam of the meat. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, at this point, I'm going to pour in my water add water. Then now it's time for me to add in my pepper soup. Okay, this from Nigeria. Somebody just gave, a friend just gave it to us. I'm going to put like a teaspoon and a little bit more, a teaspoon and a half. Then I'm going to pour my crayfish. I didn't blend the crayfish very smooth. I just blend a little bit. I'm going to have it, whisk it up with water. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it. Then what I'm going to do, I'm still going to add a little bit of blended dry pepper, because I want it hot. This blended pepper, I want it to be very hot, spicy and hot. You know, when you eat this, your nose will be running. Yeah, and I'll stir it together. taste to see. It's already tasty. Okay, then I'll cover it to cook till the goat meat is done. Okay, I'll cook about 20 minutes. Okay, because this goat meat is very strong. About 20 minutes. I'm gonna cook it about 20 minutes till it is ready. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Okay, keep watching. Okay guys, it has been 20 minutes that the meat is be cooking right now. Goat meat be cooking. Let's check on it. Yep. Smells so good in here. Yeah. Pepper soup is smelly, so yummy-licious. The aroma is so good. Okay, now I'm gonna put some of this scent leaf on it and just let it simmer for a minute. Then okay, I'll just allow it to cook for a minute thereabouts. Then our goat meat is ready. Look at, let me try one. I'll cover allow it to cook for under 1 minute. Then okay, our pepper soup is ready, guys. Pepper soup is ready. You don't want it to be too thick because you need the water. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone. Stay safe. Bye everyone. Bye bye. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. See you in my next video. Bye.